Hello and welcome. We're thrilled to have you join us on this incredible journey. I'm so happy to be sharing this journey toward a more joyful life with you. Together, we will explore the secrets to living a life filled with peace, happiness, and fulfillment. You may be wondering, what is the secret to a truly stress-free life? Is it about having more time, more money, or perhaps more freedom? While these factors can contribute, the true essence lies in something much simpler and more profound. Well, it begins with creating a calm and organized environment in your home. Your living space is a reflection of your inner state. When your surroundings are cluttered, it can lead to a cluttered mind. Conversely, a tidy and organized home can bring clarity and tranquility to your life. Today, we'll embark on a journey to declutter and downsize, keeping only the items that truly spark joy. This process is not just about getting rid of things, it's about making conscious choices about what you allow into your life. By surrounding yourself with items that bring you joy, you create a space that nurtures your well-being. We will explore 5 essential tips together, step by step. These tips are designed to help you systematically tackle the clutter and create a home that supports your mental and emotional health. These tips will not only guide you through the process, but also help you discover the transformative power of tidying. You'll learn how to let go of items that no longer serve you and make space for what truly matters. Are you ready to create a home that brings you peace and happiness? Let's begin. Imagine walking into your home and feeling an immediate sense of calm. Picture yourself enjoying your favorite activities in a space that feels open and inviting. This is the promise of a stress-free living environment. Beyond just physical tidiness, we'll also touch on the importance of mental and emotional decluttering. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and setting healthy boundaries can further enhance your journey to a stress-free life. Journaling can be a powerful tool to help you process your thoughts and emotions. By regularly writing down your feelings and experiences, you can gain insights into what truly matters to you and what you need to let go of. Creating a cozy and inviting space for relaxation is also key. Whether it's a reading nook, a meditation corner, or a spot for enjoying a cup of tea, having a dedicated area for unwinding can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Don't forget to make room for your passions and hobbies. A stress-free life is not just about eliminating the negative, but also about embracing the positive. By dedicating time and space to activities that bring you joy, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small victories along the way and be kind to yourself. Every step you take towards a more organized and joyful life is a step in the right direction. So, take a deep breath and let's embark on this journey together. Your path to a stress-free, joyful life starts now. Welcome to Stress-Free Living. Before we begin, let's take a deep cleansing breath. Feel the air fill your lungs and let it out slowly. This moment of calm is the first step in our journey. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Each step you take is important, and it's okay to move at your own pace. Enjoy the process and the scenery along the way. The first step, my friends, is to start with a plan. A well-thought-out plan is like a roadmap that guides you towards your destination. It helps you stay focused and organized. Imagine holding a beautiful, empty box. This box is a blank canvas, waiting to be filled with your dreams and aspirations. This box represents your goals. Think about what you truly want to achieve. What are the things that will bring you joy and fulfillment? What will you fill it with? Will it be filled with moments of peace, achievements, or perhaps a sense of order in your life? Perhaps you envision a clutter-free bedroom or a more organized kitchen. These are tangible goals that can make a big difference in your daily life. Write down these goals, no matter how big or small. Putting them on paper makes them real and gives you a clear target to aim for. Now, visualize yourself achieving each goal one by one. See yourself taking the steps necessary to reach them and feel the satisfaction of each accomplishment. Remember, setting realistic goals is key. It's important to be ambitious, but also to be practical. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Start small, perhaps with a single drawer or shelf. This makes the task less overwhelming and gives you a quick win to build momentum. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way, for each step brings you closer to a more joyful home. Recognize the progress you've made and let it motivate you to keep going. Take time to reflect on your journey. What have you learned about yourself? How have your goals evolved? This reflection can provide valuable insights and help you adjust your plan as needed. Share your goals with someone you trust. Having a support system can make a big difference. They can offer encouragement, hold you accountable, and celebrate your successes with you. Create a vision board to keep your goals in sight. Fill it with images and words that inspire you and remind you of what you're working towards. Remember to take breaks and practice self-care. It's important to recharge and avoid burnout. A well-rested mind is more productive and creative. Revisit your plan regularly. Life is dynamic, and your goals may change. Adjust your plan as needed to stay aligned with your evolving aspirations. As you continue on this journey, you'll find that each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a more organized and fulfilling life. Embrace the process and enjoy the transformation. The power of a plan lies in its ability to turn dreams into reality. With a clear plan, determination, and a positive mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, take that first step today. Start with a plan and watch as your dreams unfold into reality. The journey may be long, but every step is worth it. Remember, this is your journey. Embrace it with an open heart and a determined spirit. The power of a plan is within you. Let's make it happen. Now that we have our plan, let's talk about the art of categorizing. Instead of tidying by room, we will tidy by category. Think of it like gathering all your clothes from every corner of your home. Hold each item in your hands. Does it spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in your life right now? If the answer is no, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. This process allows you to truly appreciate the value of each item and make mindful decisions about what to keep. Remember, we are not just discarding items, we are choosing joy. Now comes the heart of our tidying festival, the KonMari method trademark of asking yourself one simple question. Does this spark joy? Hold each item in your hands, close your eyes, and truly connect with it. Do you feel a warm, positive feeling? Or do you feel a sense of indifference or even burden? Trust your intuition. If an item doesn't spark joy, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Remember, we are making space for the things that truly matter. It's not about what you discard, but about what you choose to keep in your life. Letting go can be difficult, but it is an essential part of the process. Remember those items that didn't spark joy? It's time to bid them farewell with gratitude. For items in good condition, consider donating them to charities or organizations where they can find a new purpose and bring joy to others. Selling items is another option, allowing them to find a new home while decluttering your own. And for items that have reached the end of their life cycle, recycle them responsibly, knowing that you are contributing to a more sustainable future. Congratulations! You've decluttered and created a space that sparks joy. Now let's talk about maintaining this newfound peace. Remember, tidying is not a one-time event, it's a continuous journey. Make it a habit to put things back in their designated places. Embrace a minimalist mindset, being mindful of new purchases. Ask yourself, do I truly need this? And will this item bring me lasting joy? Remember, a clutter-free home is a reflection of a calm and peaceful mind. Embrace the joy of tidying and watch as it transforms not only your home but your life as well. As we conclude our journey together, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative power of tidying up. Remember these 5 essential tips that we've discussed throughout our time together. Start with a plan, sort by category, keep what sparks joy, let go with gratitude, and maintain your serene space. Starting with a plan is crucial. It gives you a roadmap to follow and helps you stay focused on your goals. Whether it's a detailed checklist or a simple outline, having a plan can make the process less overwhelming and more manageable. Sorting by category rather than by room allows you to see the full extent of what you own. This method helps you make more informed decisions about what to keep and what to let go. Keeping what sparks joy is perhaps the most personal and subjective part of the process. It's about surrounding yourself with items that bring you happiness and serve a purpose in your life. Letting go with gratitude is a powerful practice. It allows you to release items that no longer serve you with a sense of appreciation for the role they once played in your life. This mindset can make the process of decluttering feel more positive and less like a chore. Maintaining your serene space is an ongoing effort. It's about creating habits that support a tidy and organized home. Regularly revisiting your space and making small adjustments can help you sustain the progress you've made. Embracing these principles will not only transform your home, but also bring a sense of peace and fulfillment to your life. A tidy space can reduce stress, increase productivity, and create a more enjoyable living environment. Remember, tidying is not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate each step of the way. Every small victory is a step towards a more organized and joyful life. I invite you to share your experiences and progress in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others and create a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating a joyful and fulfilling life. Until next time, may your home be your haven of peace and happiness. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Together, we've explored the joys of a tidy life and the profound impact it can have on our well-being. Keep striving for progress and remember that every small step counts. Here's to a life filled with joy, peace, and a beautifully organized